Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Vico Constructor 2008 fifth tutorial. I am engineer Muhammad Qasim Shinwari to teach you in this tutorial. In this tutorial we will continue our work by placing and inserting doors, etc. Before directly inserting windows, let me have a little bit change in the building. Come to this room. Let me measure it. Okay, in tracker it is shown that it is 12 feet. So what I am going to do is to have wall, and here I have to use the partition wall. Let me define wall 14 feet, and it will be 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches, and brick red is okay, and save as partition wall. Here make sure that the wall in the toolbox is selected, and in favorites list double click over partition wall to select it. Now come to the very first point and draw a wall of length 7 feet. Right click, OK. Select this wall. In the context menu, go to drag, and then drag this wall up to 6 feet. Hold down Control. Okay, by dragging it's not, I Control Z, again go to context menu, move, drag, and drag the wall six feet. Now it's okay. We have to join it, so still partition wall selected. So it will be a bathroom 6 feet into 6 feet approximately. Zoom out. So we have done a little bit change. We are going to define some favorites for doors. We will be using 2 or 3 types of doors. For example, in this bedroom, if we want to place door, so let me see how much distance how much place I am having. I am having 8 feet space, and similarly if I see I am having 5.5 feet or more here. So I will define 2 types of doors. Select the door tool, double click over it for door default settings dialog box. Okay, we have different types of doors. Let me resize it. In the ifc underscore command.apx, select the ifc underscore door single swing. Double click over it. Here we can see its different views. These are the different views. Make sure that the anchor point is side. Come to the parameters. For parameters, we will be having the width as 3.5 feet and the height should not be less than 7 feet. And sill to wall base, OK. In header value, it is given 0. So remain the default value. Don't change the default values. See if we can change other things. There is nothing special to change. The default settings are OK. Now favorites, save current as favorites, door 3.5 multiply by 7 single. Click OK. Now we will define another door which will be double swing door. On the very first IFC double swing, come to the preview and positioning. Here we can see the different previews. Make sure that the anchor point is side anchor point is selected, and in parameters it will be same as 3.5. Not 3.5 feet will not be okay. It should be round about 4.5 feet. 4.5 feet. And height should be 7 feet, not less than 7 feet. Opening plane associated to wall, okay, it's okay. And click on favorites, save current as favorites. Door 4.5 multiply by 7 and double. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to define another single door, but its parameters will be changed. It will be 2.5 feet and height will be same 7 feet. Save current settings. Door 2.5 multiply by 7 single. Okay. In all the case, the anchor point, side anchor point is selected. Click OK. Now we have 3 favorites. Make sure that door tool is selected and select door 3.5 into 7 single. Now we have to place doors. Let me place door here. What we need is to define a set of points. First of all, we have to click on a wall. So click here approximately. Now you can see that I have clicked too much downward. Escape, again click up. If you need that the door should be placed exact in center, then you should select the anchor point center and come to the half of it. I will let me do it in this case so that you have no confusion. I have selected the center anchor point, and here half is selected. On this snap you can see now a single click, and after that I have to specify the point in which direction the door will open. So I have specified the inner direction. So you can see a door is placed in the middle, but in this case I don't want to place door in middle, so shift select it, delete it, come to the side anchor point, and here divisions 3, I have selected divisions 3. So this line will be divided into 3 parts, and after that I have placed it and click inward. Now you can see the door. Let me show you in 3D. Press F5. So you can see the door is placed. This is the outer view. From inside it will be something looking like this. Press F2, escape. Tool door from toolbox and make sure that double 3.5 into 7 single is selected. Now coming to the next door, make sure that the anchor point center is selected and half is selected in special snap points. So here I will get a half somewhere between intersection points, and now bring mouse cursor here, automatically it gives you a single point. So I have placed other door, it is same 3.5 into 7 single. Okay, now coming to other rooms, I have to place a door here also. What I am going to do is to again use the center and half. Similarly you can put the doors here. Now I have selected the side anchor point and door 3.5 into 7 still selected of the special snap points. It should not be placed in center. Shift select it, delete it. Go to special snap points and click on divisions 3. If divisions 3 is not here, you can go to set special snap values. Here you can set the divisions. Now it will be divided into 3. Select the leftmost and click on left side and then upside. Let me see this door in 3D to make sure that it's okay. Press F5. After selecting mark you, click on fit in window. So it's okay. It's okay. Press F5. Press F2. Then press escape. One door we will need for kitchen. So select divisions. Now let me change the divisions to 4. Okay, and divisions 4 is selected. Bring down the cursor here and in 4 divisions it is divided. Click on the very top of it. I haven't selected the door tool. Door tool, this favorite. Now bring it downward or upward, what you consider as the most favorable. Now coming to the locker, same case here, it should be divided, it should be in half between intersection points, and make sure that center geometry method is selected. Okay, now make sure that in the favorite list door 4.5 into 7 double is selected. We have to select the wall, divide it into 3 and make sure it is selected. Okay, now when I will bring mouse here, it will be divided into 3. So select first point, then we have to define the door location. So click towards right and then click inwards. So you can see that we have double swinging door. Similarly, we will keep on placing doors. Let me see how much distance I am having here. In short tracker it is shown that 5 feet. So, and how much distance this? It is 4.5 feet. So I can use double door. Double door will be okay. Double. Make sure that center geometry method is selected and half is selected, so that we can place it in center. You can see this window in 3D by selecting in mark U and press F5 and click on fit in window. So this is the inward view, and the outward view will be something like this. Press F2 to come to the plan view, press escape. Now coming to the classroom, here we should also have a single door will be good. So select door tool and 3.5 into 7 single. Go to the divisions 3 options so that it is divided in 3. Click on the bottom, not bottom, top, and then click inwards. Okay, now here in bathroom, coming to the bathrooms. In bathrooms we got a little bit problem now. We have to solve it. First of all, let me see that this which wall selected is load bearing wall. This should be partition wall. So delete this wall, come to the wall tool, okay, come to wall tool, select the partition wall. I have to select the partition wall, select center construction method, and here select half. Now when I will bring here, so it will come here and exactly vertically I clicked. So I have used partition wall here. Now we have to place doors. One more thing, we also having dressing rooms here. So partition wall still selected, and in special snap points make sure that half is selected. Come to this point to have midpoint. Right click, OK. Similarly, now it is divided properly. We will be having a door. Select the door tool and 2.5 into 7 single door. We will be having door inside. So half special snap point still selected. Bring your mouse to have center point. Not center point will not be better. If I select the center point and then I should place door in partition wall here. Left side placed. Let me see in 3D. From outward. It is the okay, it's okay. We can drag it to the right. So shift select it, in the context menu click drag and drag it to 0.5 feet towards right. Escape. Now press F2, press escape. Now it's okay. Similarly, I have to place a door here. Make sure that half is selected, door toolbox, center, and door 2.5 into 7 single is selected. We got two bathrooms. Now these two are dressing rooms. We need openings here. For openings, what I have to do is to select the door and click on settings dialog, and here empty opening. Click on empty opening. So we will have empty opening and anchor point center. Now coming to the parameters. Parameters should be 2.5 and 7 by default. It's okay. Save current as. It will be saved by the name of link 2.5 multiplied by 7. Click OK. Now door tool still selected. Click on door opening 2.5 into 7. We have to place the opening, so select divisions 3. Bring your mouse here, select the lowermost, and then automatically the opening is placed. It will be simple opening for dressing room. Similarly, we have to place an opening here. zoom out to see the results. The door tool still selected. Click on door 2.5 into 7 single. We have to place a door here. Come to this special snap options, division 3, and on this special snap. Now one more door we have to place, that is in office. Okay, in office we did a mistake by placing the window, so shift selected, deleted. Now select door and select 3.5 into 7 single and come to divisions 3. It is already 3 divisions 3. Between intersection points and here. Now above the door we will place ventilator, but for the time being I am not placing. I will place at the end. I will place ventilators above all the doors. Now one door still remaining, that is of this bathroom, which will be 2.5 into 7 single. Zoom out using the wheel of your mouse to see the results. One double door we have to place, select 4.5 into 7, and here so we are having sorry, I have to place this door outward. So again make sure that double is selected and then first click and second click. Now it's okay. Anything, zoom out to see if anything remaining. One door more we are still missing, that is set divisions to 10, and then in favorites list the door double is selected, and here not from first but on second, first click, then move towards left and then move outward. Okay, one main gate we still need. So for main gate what we will need, we will let's define for main gate, double click over the door and we will have two double door. You have a lot of options, so you should go throughout these into yourself. I am not going to each of them at this time. I am will try to use the garage door, you can say. Garage door preview and positioning, you can preview it. Now let me set its parameter. Okay, its width will be 20 feet. 20 feet, while height will, how much height will be okay? And the exterior wall is 20 feet high, and how much a simple fire brigade truck height will. So I think it will be better if we enter the value 12 feet. Come to the garage door settings. We are having a lot of options. I am not going through it. Click save main door. I will give name as main door. Okay, okay. Now main door I have to place, so select it as half and bring here. Okay, one mistake I done. Select the center geometry method and after that place it here. So it's now the main gate. I think we have finished the doors. There are no more doors are needed here. I want to save this current view because it's approximately completed, although not completed fully. So what I do, I go to view map and here select save current view. In save current view I will change the name to 2D plan dash 01. Sorry, 2D plan dash 01. 2D plan 01 and click create. Now you can see that I am having a 2D plan 01. So for example, if I go to first story, second story, remember that in this case we are not having this first story, we are having just single story. So we have created a view. It will help us a lot. In next video tutorial we will define some more favorites related to windows ventilators and we will place on the top of each door. This is the end of our fifth tutorial. See you in next tutorial. Allah Hafiz.